All right, we're going to check out this one-arrow shoot-off between Casey Kaufhold and Catalina Gnoriega, both from the United States. I know Casey ranked in first at this event. I'm not quite sure of Catalina's position. She must have been in the top 16, though, because I believe that was where the cut was. So this should be a fun one-arrow shoot-off between the two Americans here.
Here we go with our shoot-off.
And we're going to have some extra mystery because where I put the camera, you cannot see Casey's target. So I'm going to move it down a little bit. All right, both ladies are coming up to full draw. Oh, Casey shoots first. 10 for Casey. Catalina sets down. All right, there's 12 seconds. 10, 9, 8. She's got a little bit of time. 5, 4, 3. Ooh, okay. What does she have though? Ooh, 10 is pretty close for both of them. I don't know. We'll have to see. All right. Judges say Casey gets it. Great shooting, ladies. Yeah, it looks like Casey's is in slightly more. That was a pretty solid shoot-off there.
Please ignore the timers.
All right. Well, congratulations, Casey. And you can follow both of these archers. I'll have links to their social medias in the description down below. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And as always, happy shooting.